Alright, check this out. Guess what I'm doing? I am on the Majestic Princess and I am doing laundry. And there's the laundromat. Let's go check it out. Ta-da! So what's interesting about this is that you need to buy tokens. And the token machine is not working right. So I got to call down front for someone to come up. But you can see the tokens in here to buy the detergent. You got the laundry washer and the dryer. And they suggest using the hottest cycle advised for drying. I assume that's drying. Oh, it could be washing. And then here it says 30 to 45 minutes per wash and 45 minutes per dry. There's drying hangers here. There's an ironing board, a telephone in case of an emergency, another ironing board, that must be for those formal nights, and then we've got a sink, TV, nice. All right, I'm just waiting for someone to come down and come up and fix this thing. All right, look what I just saw here. We've got this little diagram that shows a tool to clean the dryer filters. And there's the tool to clean the dryer filters. There's one on each dryer. And there's the filter. We'll have to figure that out when it's time for us to do the drying of clothes. We're gonna try this token machine with the Princess Medallion. English. Alright, select the number of wash or dry cycles and vendor products. So we're gonna do one detergent, and we're gonna do one washer, one dryer, two, purchase now. So to do the laundry, it is $7. So let's get our detergent. Oh, the freaking box is stuck back there. Alright, we're going to have to use a dryer thing to get that out of there. If they improvise, eh? Thank God I saw that dryer tool. So far, it's not doing too well. Alright, we're going to use this machine. We're going to do the wash. And basically, everything's going in. It's all darks mainly. And that's the whole bag. We put one token in here. And I guess we put this. There's no place to put this. So let's see. Hot normal. So we're going to set it to hot normal. We put the coin in, we haven't activated it yet. Set, we're going to activate the coin. That's in there. It says it's ready to go. Let's throw some powder in there. It probably won't stop until the doors close, right? It says it's in use. Let's see what happens. Oh, I just heard it do a little. Oh. It's filling up with water. It's filling up with water. Doing the laundry. Let's show you what it. So that's where we set the temperature. I did hot normal. You see it's in use. That's where the tokens go. Like I said, for a wash is $3. For a dry is $3. And for these, they're $1. So it cost me, no, excuse me, $1.50. Cost me $7.50 to do the laundry. This is a large laundry room. The other laundry room, I had to leave and I had to come upstairs because nobody came up to fix the machine. So, oh, this thing's blinking. Yeah, that looks like it's, yeah, the screen downstairs didn't look anything like that. So we already have our coin for drying. We'll set this thing for 30 minutes and we'll come back and put them in the dryer. All right, laundry is done. Let's see what this hook's all about. There was a diagram on how to use this thing. Not sure how to use it. But we are going to put our clothes in the dryer. Alright, we got the clothes in there. We're going to put the token in here. Tokens in. We're going to set this to, I guess, normal heat. Hit the start button. And now we're looking for 40 minutes. 40 minutes for the dryer. So we'll set the timer. And then we'll come back.